Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of Stellar XLM. What surprise changes occur in the Stellar? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Stellar in the market is about 0.280704 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Stellar XLM. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of Stellar, so now you can see last 1 day, last 1 hour, and last 1 week, guys. Simply the whole update you found about Stellar XLM is a negative, guys. So that's stupid that the all changes is negative, but don't worry, guys. Very soon the changes update of Stellar will become positive, guys. Let me show you the price chart and let's study the price chart. What's going on now, guys? You can see here that is last 1 week price chart, and if we study the price chart, so you can see here from a long time the price are in the dumping. But if you study from yesterday update, 25 September update, so you can see here, let me zoom the price chart. 25 September update, you can see here, and now you can see gradually. I'm not talking about to you that a huge pump here, no. You slowly now Stellar start pumping, guys. And you know what, when Stellar XLM is taken a huge pump in the beginning of October, there is a lot of possibilities that Stellar will take a huge pump, guys. So that's why I recommend for you that please hold Stellar XLM to the October, guys. Higher possibility that in the beginning of October Stellar will pump, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Stellar, and how do you feel today about Stellar XLM? Good or bad? I'm feeling very good, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.